Welcome. In this second part of decision making without probabilities, we will be discussing the equally likely approach, and we'll also be discussing the realism approach. We will be using this payoff table and assume payoffs are profits. The equally likely or Laplace approach. Using this approach, we choose the alternative with the best average payoff. To find the average payoff, we add the payoffs in a decision alternative and divide the total by the number of payoffs. With bonds, the average payoff is 30. The average is 29 for stocks, and the average is 31 for mutual funds. The best of these is 31. Therefore, the equally likely decision is to invest in mutual funds. The realism or Hurwicz approach. This approach finds a compromise between the best and worst payoffs. Using this approach, we choose the alternative with the best weighted average payoff based on the coefficient of realism alpha. The coefficient of realism alpha is a value between 0 and 1 determined by the decision maker. For each decision alternative, the approach here is to multiply the best payoff by alpha, multiply the worst payoff by 1 minus alpha, and then add the two results. Note that when alpha is close to 1, decision maker is optimistic. And when alpha is close to 0, the decision maker is pessimistic. In this example, we choose alpha equals 0.3, and thus 1 minus alpha is 0.7. This indicates that the decision maker is leaning towards pessimism. Let us now calculate the weighted average for each decision. For bonds, the best payoff is 45 and the worst is 5. So we calculate 0.3 times 45 plus 0.7 times 5, and the result is 17. For stocks, the best payoff is 70 and the worst is negative 13. The weighted average is 0.3 times 70 plus 0.7 times negative 13, which gives 11.9. For mutual funds, the best payoff is 53, and the worst is negative 5. The weighted average is 0.3 times 53 plus 0.7 times negative 5, which equals 12.4. The best of these is 17. Therefore, the realism approach decision is to invest in bonds. In this video, I have shown how to make decisions using the equally likely and realism approaches. Thanks for watching.